Hi friends, my name is Nilesh Fadke. You are learning partner in finance and accounts. In this video, we will learn how to rectify the error passed by an accountant while passing journal entry. As you are aware that each and every transaction related to business is recorded in the books of accounts in the form of journal entries. Sometimes accountant make mistakes while passing these journal entry. So these need to be rectified. With this example, we will understand how to pass rectification entries and how to correct the error made by an accountant. So here we go. Rectification of error. Cash sales to Mr. M rupees 5,000 wrongly recorded as credit purchases to Mr. N rupees 15,000. So as a first step, we will write what happened wrong. So wrongly recorded as credit purchases to Mr. N rupees 15,000. So purchases 15,000 due to which profit is minus 15,000. So closing retained earning minus 15,000, that will appear on the balance sheet liability side as minus 15,000. And is recorded as credit purchases to Mr. N. So creditor N is plus 15,000. So minus 15,000 plus 15,000 is 0. And balance sheet asset side also 0, and our balance sheet tallies. Now what is right? Right is cash sales to Mr. M rupees 5,000. So sales 5,000 due to which profit is 5,000. So closing retained earning is 5,000. Now this closing retained earning appears on the balance sheet liability side as 5,000, and cash sales. So cash of the business increases to the extent of 5,000. So total liability 5,000, total asset 5,000, and our balance sheet tallies. Now we need to carry rectification of this mistake, which is basically right minus wrong. So sales, right is 5,000, wrong is 0. So 5,000 minus 0 is 5,000. Purchases, right 0, wrong 15,000. So 0 minus 15,000 is minus 15,000. Thus the profit is 20,000. That is 5,000 minus 15,000. That is 5,000 plus 15,000 is 20,000. So closing retained earning is 20,000. Now creditor N, right minus wrong, right is 0, wrong is 15,000. So 0 minus 15,000 is minus 15,000. Total liabilities is 5,000. Cash 5,000 minus 0 is 5,000. So total assets is also 5,000, total liabilities is also 5,000, and our balance sheet tallies. Now journal entry based on the rule of AID, ARC, LIC, LRD. Now cash balance is increasing to the extent of 5,000. So cash based on the rule of AID, that is assets increases debit 5,000. Now creditor is reducing to the extent of 15,000. So liability reduces debit. So creditor 15,000 will be debited. Retained earning is increasing to the extent of 20,000. So retained earning, that is liability, increases credit 20,000. However, while passing journal entry, we do not directly write the word retained earning. Rather, we write the transactions which affecting this retained earning. So due to sales 5,000 retained earning, and due to purchases negative, that is income 15,000. So this retained earning of 20,000 is basically due to sales 5,000 and purchase 15,000. So journal entry based on the rule of AID, ARC, LIC, LRD is cash account debit 5,000, creditor debit 15,000, to sales 5,000, to purchases 15,000, being correction entry. Thus to conclude, what we can say is that any type of rectification can be passed by a model of 3 steps. First step is you have to prepare a table of profit and loss account where you will plot wrong amounts. Then you have to prepare second table with the corrected amount where you will plot the correct amount in profit and loss account and balance sheet. And then you will plot a third table of profit and loss account and balance sheet where you will pass the rectified amount, that is right amount minus wrong amount. And based on the rule of AID, ARC, LIC, LRD, you can pass any type of journal entry.